puts a greater emphasis on finding those cancer surgeries that need to be done.
We would hate to be in a situation where we had to further cut back and prioritize COVID patients versus patients who needed cancer surgery.
The doc says chemo and radiation treatments are ongoing.
Things are slowed down a bit because we have to be very careful in screening patients and family members to assure that we are keeping the patients safe and the healthcare workers safe.
Officials at the Huntsman Cancer Institute say they will not delay any surgery that's critical to a person's survival. But to make sure family members get those surgeries that they need, doctors are pleading that folks wear a mask and keep 6 feet of social distance. I'm Jason Nguyen in the newsroom, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Jason. Well, the Davis County School Board deciding tonight that it will stick with its plan to have in-person learning 4 days a week starting November 2nd. The board met tonight confirming its decision. Now, this is on the same day Farmington High School announced it will close for 14 days because of 15 confirmed COVID-19 cases at the school. Well, the Davis School District Communications Director saying that the school is focusing on safety.
Today, officials in Utah County announcing they're letting the mask mandate expire.
Some wondering why, as the county is still listed as a high transmission county for COVID-19. ABC4's Nick McGurk is looking into this tonight from Provo.
Well, the county mandate is now gone, but you're still going to see signs like this. Join the masquerade. Wear your mask. There's no county mandate. There is a statewide requirement. People here in Provo and Utah County, at least some of them, saying it all muddles the message.
I think it's confusing.
Confusing for Bruna Figueiredo. Where and when to wear a mask in and around Utah County. She says it doesn't seem altogether clear.
I don't know if I need to use every time or not, and if I just use inside of places or I need to use outside of places.
Amid a spike in cases last month, county officials issuing a public health order mandating masks. But today, that health order expired, and county officials say instead of being a confusing choice, it's the right move.
We just didn't think that it made sense to have 2 different layers of the same requirements, so we've moved the county one out of the way, but the requirement's still there. It's just pursuant to the state health order.
The state order issued last week says mask requirements are most restrictive in counties with the worst transmission rates. Utah County labeled one of those high transmission counties. So by state order, masks are required in public spaces indoors and outside where social distancing isn't feasible. County officials say one mask mandate was enough.
I think that that would be incredibly confusing right now. If anyone needed to enforce it or if someone was trying to read which applies here, I think it does not make sense to have 2 different levels of essentially the same requirement.
Requirements then are to wear the mask indoors in Utah County.
It's not too much to ask to save people's lives. I just think wear the mask.
But those like Trent say they won't wear the mask.
The virus is real. I believe that. But I believe it's no worse than the flu.
He says before the mandates and after, he has not worn protective face covering indoors. And though people look, nobody has forced him to wear one.
I get stares once in a while, looks, once in a while. Yeah, I get that once, periodically.
Some people think it's selfish to not wear a mask.
Yeah, and I get that too. But you know what? Do you shut down the world? Do you crawl into a hole for how long?
For how long Utah County stays that high transmission county as designated by the state, it really depends on how cases progress. If they get 14 consecutive days of declining cases, and there are a few different metrics for that, they could leave that category. But for now, they are a high transmission county. There is still a mask mandate. In Provo, I'm Nick McGurk, ABC4 News.